This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Caskey. Open house Saturday 06:04 to 3 to 5 p.m. Beautifully remodeled by former owner, including sunroom work area, Tiki Bar, hot tub and sinker pool on the deck. Open concept kitchen and living area perfect for gatherings and entertaining. Nice sunning deck off of the primary bedroom with water and park views. Downstairs has a full-sized bathroom and bedroom downstairs as well. The upstairs primary bathroom features a huge bedroom, custom closet with drawers and a double-sized walk-in tiled shower. You will love walking into this fabulous home and will want to make it yours. For more information, review the details below.